You're tired, aren't you? Tired of starting over. Tired of saying, next year will be different, and watching it turn out exactly the same. Tired of carrying around this weight of unfulfilled potential like a stone in your chest. And somewhere beneath all the excuses and all the noise, you know the truth. You know you've been lying to yourself. You know you've been playing small. You know you've let fear dress itself up as practicality and call the shots in your life. But here's what you don't know yet. Here's what's about to change everything. The next 12 months aren't just another year. They're your last chance to stop wondering, what if? And start proving, watch me. And what I'm about to tell you is going to make you uncomfortable. Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want isn't bad luck or bad timing. It's you. Let's talk about what got you here. Not to beat you up, but because you can't fix what you won't face. You've been waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for more money, waiting to feel ready, waiting for someone to believe in you before you believe in yourself. And while you've been waiting, time has been moving. Every single day, the gap between who you are and who you could be gets a little bit wider. Every morning you hit snooze instead of getting up. Every evening you scroll instead of building. Every moment you choose comfort over growth. It's not dramatic, it's not catastrophic, it's just quiet erosion. The slow death of potential. And you feel it, don't you? That knowing sense that you're capable of so much more. That restless frustration when you see someone else doing what you know you could do. That voice in your head at 3 a.m. that whispers, you're running out of time, you've made promises to yourself. So many promises. This time will be different. This time I'll stick with it. This time I won't quit when it gets hard. But then life happens. Distractions come. Motivation fades. And you find yourself right back where you started, except now you trust yourself a little bit less. And that's the real damage. Not the failed attempts, not the false starts, the broken trust with yourself. Because every time you make a promise and break it, you're teaching yourself that your word means nothing. Every time you set a goal and abandon it, you're programming yourself for failure. Every time you choose the easy path, you're building an identity of someone who can't be counted on. Even by yourself, especially by yourself. And here's what most people never realize. Here's the truth that nobody wants to hear. Your life right now is perfect. Not perfect in the sense that it's good. Perfect in the sense that it's the exact result of every choice you've made, every compromise, every rationalization, every moment you chose temporary comfort over lasting fulfillment. This is what that looks like. Your bank account, your relationships, your body, your career, your peace of mind. All of it is a mirror showing you the sum total of your decisions. And you can be mad about that. You can blame circumstances. You can point to all the reasons why it's not your fault. Or you can recognize that this is actually the most empowering truth you'll ever hear. Because if your choices created this, then different choices can create something different. If your decisions brought you here, then new decisions can take you somewhere else. You are not stuck. You are not broken. You are not too late. You are simply the product of patterns that no longer serve you. And patterns can be broken. Starting right now. But here's where it gets real. Here's the part that separates the people who transform from the people who stay stuck. You have to want it more than you want comfort. More than you want approval. More than you want to avoid looking stupid or feeling uncomfortable or facing your own limitations. Because your comeback isn't going to be convenient. It's going to ask you to get up when you want to sleep. It's going to ask you to work when you want to rest. It's going to ask you to be disciplined when everyone around you is being casual. It's going to ask you to believe in a version of yourself that doesn't exist yet, to show up for a future you can't see, to invest in dreams that nobody else understands. And you're going to want to quit, not once, 100 times. There will be days when nothing works, when progress is invisible, when you feel like you're grinding and getting nowhere, and that's when most people stop. Right before the breakthrough, right before the compound effect kicks in, right before all those invisible deposits start paying visible dividends. They stop because they're measuring their progress in days instead of years. They stop because they expect linear growth in a world that rewards exponential patience. They stop because they don't understand that success isn't about massive action. It's about consistent action. It's not about the one big moment. It's about the 1,000 small moments that nobody sees. The decision to show up when you don't feel like it. The discipline to do the work when there's no audience. The integrity to keep your word to yourself when no one else is watching. That's where champions are built. Not on stage, not in the spotlight, in the quiet, in the grind, in the moments when quitting would be so much easier than continuing. And here's what you need to understand about the next 12 months. They're gonna pass whether you use them or not. 1 year from today will come. The only question is who you'll be when it arrives. Will you be the person who finally did it? Or the person who's still talking about doing it? Will you be celebrating progress? Or making the same excuses? Will you look back with pride or regret? Because time is the one resource you can't get back. You can make more money. You can build new relationships. You can learn new skills. But you can't recover wasted time. Every day you delay is a day you'll never get again. Every week you spend getting ready to get ready is a week that could have been spent building. Every month you wait for perfect conditions is a month someone else is using to get ahead. And I'm not telling you this to make you panic. I'm telling you this to wake you up, because your life is happening right now, not tomorrow. Not when things calm down, not when you feel ready. Right now. And you get to decide what you do with it. So here's what your comeback requires. First, brutal honesty. No more lying to yourself about why you're not where you want to be. No more blaming circumstances that millions of others have overcome. No more pretending that you're a victim of anything except your own choices. Look at your life and own it. All of it. The good, the bad, the disappointing, own it. Because you can't change what you won't acknowledge. Second, non-negotiable standards. Decide who you're going to be and don't negotiate with yourself. If you say you're getting up at 5, get up at 5. If you say you're working out 4 times a week, work out 4 times a week. If you say you're building something, build it. Your word to yourself has to mean something. It has to be sacred, because the moment you start making exceptions, you start building the identity of someone who can't be trusted. Third, isolation from mediocrity. You cannot spend significant time with people who don't believe in growth and expect to grow. You cannot consume content that celebrates comfort and expect to become comfortable with discomfort. You cannot surround yourself with excuse makers and expect to become accountable. Your environment shapes you. Your influences program you. If you want to transform, you need to ruthlessly audit who and what gets access to your mind. Fourth, relentless consistency. Not motivation, not inspiration. Consistency. Showing up when you don't feel like it. Doing the work when it's boring. Staying committed when results are invisible. Because motivation is a spark. Consistency is the fire. And fifth, patience with the process, urgency with action. Understand that real change takes time. You're not going to rebuild your life in a week. You're not going to undo years of habits in a month. Transformation is a process, not an event. But that doesn't mean you move slowly. It means you move consistently, every single day, with urgency, with intention, with the understanding that how you do anything is how you do everything. Now, here's what I need you to understand. This is going to be hard. Harder than you think. There will be moments when you want to quit so badly it physically hurts. There will be days when you question everything, when you wonder if it's worth it, when you look at other people's easy lives and resent your own difficult path. And in those moments, you have to remember why you started. You have to remember the person you're becoming. You have to remember that easy choices make a hard life, and hard choices make an easy life. You have to remember that every single person who ever did anything worth doing went through exactly what you're going through. The doubt, the fear, the exhaustion, the temptation to settle. They felt all of it. And they kept going anyway, not because they were special, not because they had some advantage you don't have, but because they decided that their vision for their future mattered more than their comfort in the present. And you have to make that same decision right here, right now. Because nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's going to hand you the life you want. Nobody's going to believe in you more than you believe in yourself. This is on you. And that's not a burden, that's power. That's freedom. That means you don't need permission. You don't need perfect circumstances. You don't need anyone else to change. You just need to decide and then do the work. Day after day after day, until the person you're becoming replaces the person you've been. 12 months, 50, 2 weeks, 365 days, that's what you have. And you can waste them like you've wasted time before. Or you can use them to build something that makes every struggle worth it. You can use them to prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you've shown. You can use them to close the gap between who you are and who you know you're meant to be. You can use them to create a life that doesn't require escaping from. And when you're standing here 1 year from now, looking back on what you built, you won't remember how hard it was. You'll only remember that you didn't quit. You'll remember the moment you decided enough was enough. You'll remember the day you stopped talking and started doing. You'll remember the person you had to become to create the life you wanted. And you'll be grateful. Grateful that you didn't give up. Grateful that you trusted the process. Grateful that when it mattered most, you chose yourself. So make the choice. Right now, no more waiting. No more excuses. No more, I'll start Monday. Your comeback starts today. And 12 months from now, you'll thank yourself for starting. You can still win. You can still turn this around. You can still become everything you've been pretending you don't want. But only if you start, only if you commit, only if you decide that the next 12 months will not be a repeat of the last 12. This is your moment. This is your chance. This is your comeback. Now go make it count. And if this message hits you, if something inside you just woke up, don't let this feeling fade. Subscribe to Motiverse right now. We create content like this every single day because your transformation isn't a one-time event. It's a daily commitment. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's build your comeback together. One video at a time, one day at a time. Your future self is counting on you. Don't let them down.